Hi, my name is Michaela McClay, and I am a second grade teacher in Omaha at St. Pius St. Leo. It's a private Catholic school. It is my second year, and so far I've learned so much about being a teacher. But my biggest things that I've learned so far are the importance of building relationships. I know my first year that was one of my strengths because in college classes and master classes, they've always stressed building relationships. But going from my first year to my second year, I wanted to build even stronger relationships and get to know the families even better, like their siblings and the how like and their parents, because that's so important. So this year, I'm trying to communicate every Friday with the parents, just tell them what we're doing, and as well as I'm going to send a positive email to every parent. So it's a positive first interaction. As well as parent communication, I also want to better my relationships, like I was talking about with the students. So therefore, I have incorporated a handshake with every student when they walk in the morning, and with lunch count. It's kind of crazy this year because we have to do it on paper and then on the computer. But I'm getting them down, week 2. I'm getting them down slowly but surely. And then another thing I'm going to implement to build stronger relationships are connection circles. We've already done 2 and the kids love it. Whether the talking stick is a ball or something else, they just love those connection circles. So that's a little bit about my teaching and the things that I find most important. But another thing that is really important to me is family. I have 2 brothers and a sister. We're each 2 years apart, and I am the youngest. We're kind of all spread out. My brother's in Atlanta. My sister's in South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina, on the beach, no fair. And my other brother is in Kansas City. But family means the world to me, so being the baby of the family, they make sure that I'm taken care of as well. Um, Another random thing is my favorite color is light pink. I love the number 4, probably because there's 4 kids in my family. And I can't forget my best friend, my chocolate lab. Her name is Marley, who loves going for walks. So walks are another one of my favorites. As far as being outside, I love being outside. I love going for runs. I know most people might think that's weird, but it really helps me plan the best lessons and help with those stresses that sometimes come with teaching. But I wouldn't want it any other way. Every year is going to be different. And this year I have new challenges than I did last year with behaviors, and I have more behaviors this year. But I'm continuing as a second year teacher to implement new strategies to better my classroom management skills. And I'm really excited to take research methods because it'll be very beneficial. And I'm excited that after research methods, we get to actually test it. So I'm excited to continue to grow and be a better teacher and learn from all of you. And I'm so excited to meet you in class.